Most lamps that are on site are controlled by this station and this software, is that fair?
Yeah, this is a CAMSYS MagicQ desk. It's currently showing executors which you set up custom for your different shows. So on this page, for example, we can change the colour that some of the lighting fixtures are switching between at the moment. We can set the colour for the lighting up the artist, that kind of thing. On this FX page, we can control moving heads, which we're not using right now, trigger videos, set different effects for some of the LED lighting, cycle between colour palettes.
So let's just look at the controls on here. So we've got a tempo slider here. So this sets the speed that the lights are changing at, is that correct?
Yeah, it sets a master tempo. Yeah. So you can set it to the middle and
tap it
in.
Okay, and then adjust it. Okay, nice.
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
tweak it. Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool.
The faders can be set up for whatever you want. But right now, this is the stage lighting, for example, that's lighting the artist. These two control the haze, so the fan speed and the haze volume. You can bring up video layers. This is for controlling moving heads. So I usually have a strobe on this button and a flash or a blinder on this button. So that just lights it up like full intensity, bright white.
Yeah. But then there's lasers here as well, and there's also there's also a visual projector.
This is the laser setup. Scroll through the different laser effects and then pick an effect. I can modify the speed or the color and things of that nature.
And it's nice, what's really lovely is you're not doing this on a laptop, you're doing this with a control surface, so you can make changes really quickly. So as the music changes, you can basically adjust the laser settings to go with the flow.
Yeah, you always want a control surface for any kind of live show.
Yeah.
For something that's pre-programmed, like a theatre show,
doesn't matter. It can all get programmed in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. This is Rob, by the way, and he's doing this.
It's called Liberation. It's very new. It's still in beta, but all of the different effects are programmed through like a node system, so it's really flexible. You can make thousands of different kind of laser effects. And at this show, we're just running 4 10-watt lasers.
Yeah.
But it can control dozens if you need it to. This is Arkaos Media Master, which is a video server for shows. And it's, at the moment, not driving the projector, it's driving LED tape that we have all over the front of the stage.
Yeah.
Cut to B-roll. And it's also driving Epix bars, which are LED fixtures that are behind the DJ on the stage. And from here you can bring up and layer different video loops, and you can trigger it from the lighting desk, or you can just control it directly here.
So this is a bit of software called Magic, which is for mostly VJing or any other form of video effects. In this instance, I'm running 2 different types of video that I mix quite simply with little faders here. And I have several scenes set up so that I can make things time with the music. So this is an AKAI APC Mini.
Yeah.
And then I've got this set up, so I've got some standbys on here. So I've just got logos if I want logos.
Okay.
And then I've got 4 different rows of buttons that do different things. So here, I've got scenes set up that are black and white for situations where we're in the daytime and we need high contrast. And a lot of this is based around the kaleidoscope effects, just because we're using a triangle. And then, so I've got varying degrees of effects and videos that I can use, but I've also got, as the night gets darker, we can introduce more colours into the mix.
Bye.